Look at you, man. Look at you.
Mano, how you doing?
What a place. What happened to you?
What do you mean? You didn't hear? I took a few in the back.
They told me you were doing 30 years. I should've let Pachanga kill him. Lalin took a few in the back, cause he a rat. Thought he had a gift gab from diaper to shit bag. Who sent you? The DA made me do it. Nigga rents due. Close the blind, stay reclusive. I ain't connected no more. I should push you in the fucking river. How can you fuck the only people who was once your niggas? I got bigger fish to fry, I'm into something bigger. If you did a lot of reading, you'll trust the scriptures. You can't hump, can't pump, get slumped. I'll call on the young right now to jump the gun. I ain't gon' kill you, Lalin, but I don't feel you, Lalin. And what you doing on 48th and Broadway? That's where my broad play. You in harm's way. I trusted you, fucker. I'm fresh home, but I'ma kill one of you suckers. You playing CI, I've been under the covers. I ran the whole jail, you still run with the hustler, sucker. I trusted you, fucker. I'm fresh home, but I'ma kill one of you suckers. You playing CI, I've been under the covers. I ran the whole jail, you still run with the hustlers, buster.
This how you beat your 30 years, huh? You piece of shit.
Please, man.
I'll kill you. Push you with a fucking rip on your...
What the fuck is going on, Carlito?
No, wait a minute. Wait a fucking second.
You a fucking chiva, man?
Sí, let me...
Fucking rap,
Let me, please.
fucking kill him, man. Let me...